Iraq's economic transformation, a new era of growth and opportunity. As of February 3, 2025, Iraq is experiencing a significant economic transformation, drawing the attention of global investors, business leaders, and financial analysts. With increasing foreign investment, major economic reforms, and a rapidly evolving business environment, Iraq is positioning itself as a key economic hub in the Middle East. For years, Iraq has struggled with the consequences of war, political instability, and economic hardships. However, recent developments indicate that the country is on a path to revival. The Iraqi government has introduced strategic reforms, focusing on improving the financial system, tax policies, and infrastructure. These efforts are not only attracting international investors, but are also paving the way for long-term economic stability and growth. Surge in business activity, Iraq's economic resurgence. One of the most striking indicators of Iraq's economic shift is the surge in business activity. Just yesterday, 300 prominent business leaders gathered in Baghdad to explore investment opportunities across various industries. This event is a clear sign of growing international confidence in Iraq's economic future. Even more astonishing, tomorrow an estimated 1 million companies are expected to initiate business ventures in Iraq. This unprecedented surge in investment is not a coincidence. The Iraqi government has been working tirelessly to create an investor-friendly environment by implementing key economic reforms. Iraq's strategic position in the Middle East, coupled with its vast oil reserves, makes it a highly attractive destination for businesses looking to expand their operations. The government's commitment to enhancing infrastructure, streamlining regulations, and modernizing its financial sector is further strengthening investor confidence. Iraqi dinar is a major currency shift on the horizon. One of the most widely discussed topics among financial experts is the future of the Iraqi dinar. Over recent weeks, unusual activity in the currency exchange markets has sparked speculation about a potential revaluation. Wealth managers, currency analysts, and financial institutions are closely monitoring these movements, raising the question, could Iraq be on the verge of a major monetary adjustment? If the Central Bank of Iraq moves forward with a revaluation, it could have far-reaching effects. A stronger dinar could help stabilize the economy, reduce inflation, and make Iraq even more attractive to foreign investors. However, such a move would need to be carefully managed to prevent economic instability. While no official confirmation has been made, signs suggest that Iraq is taking deliberate steps to strengthen its financial position. This has led to increased speculation among investors, many of whom are closely watching Iraq's currency policies for potential investment opportunities. Iraq's national budget, a defining moment for the country's economic future. Another critical development to watch is Iraq's upcoming budget debate, scheduled for this Sunday. The national budget plays a crucial role in shaping Iraq's economic future, as it determines government spending and resource allocation. If Iraq prioritizes investments in infrastructure, education, and social programs, it could lead to long-term economic stability and prosperity. A key sector to monitor in this debate is Iraq's oil industry, which remains the country's primary source of revenue. Any adjustments to oil-related policies or budget allocations could significantly impact economic growth. Additionally, increased funding for healthcare, education, and social welfare programs would improve the quality of life for millions of Iraqis. The government's decisions in this budget debate could define Iraq's economic path for years to come. Strengthening global partnerships. Iraq's economic integration with the world. Iraq is making significant strides in strengthening its partnerships with global powers such as the United States, China, and the European Union. These collaborations are expected to bring billions of dollars in investment, particularly in key sectors such as energy, technology, and infrastructure. Recent trade agreements with neighbouring countries have further opened new markets, creating employment opportunities and driving economic growth. This wave of international collaboration is a testament to Iraq's commitment to becoming a major player in the global economy. For years, Iraq has been perceived as a high-risk investment destination due to political instability and security concerns. However, the country is now emerging as a hub for international business, attracting multinational corporations and investors looking to capitalize on Iraq's untapped potential. The impact on everyday Iraqis, a nation filled with optimism. While macroeconomic changes and foreign investments are crucial, the true impact of Iraq's economic transformation will be seen in the lives of its citizens. Investments in healthcare, education, and public services are already showing tangible results. New schools and hospitals are being constructed, providing better access to quality education and medical care. Improvements in infrastructure are ensuring better access to clean water, electricity, and transportation. The government's efforts to create job opportunities are also beginning to pay off as employment rates steadily rise. Across Iraq, a sense of optimism is sweeping the nation. From the bustling streets of Baghdad to small rural communities, celebrations are taking place, symbolizing a collective hope for the future. This widespread enthusiasm is a reflection of Iraq's economic revival and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Challenges ahead, ensuring sustainable growth. Despite the positive momentum, Iraq still faces several challenges on its path to sustainable growth. The government must continue to implement economic reforms, combat corruption, and ensure political stability to maintain investor confidence. Additionally, Iraq's reliance on oil revenue remains a double-edged sword. While oil exports are a major driver of economic growth, the country must diversify its economy to reduce its dependence on this single resource. Expanding sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism could help create a more resilient and diversified economy. Another challenge is ensuring that economic growth benefits all Iraqis, not just a select few. Addressing income inequality, improving living conditions, and expanding access to quality education and healthcare will be key factors in Iraq's long-term success. Final thoughts: a nation on the rise. Iraq is entering a transformative period, one that could redefine its economic landscape for generations to come. The country's strategic policies, growing international partnerships, and increasing investor confidence all point toward a promising future. For investors, business leaders, and those following Iraq's progress, this is a time to stay informed and engaged. The momentum is strong, and the opportunities are vast. If Iraq continues on its current trajectory, it has the potential to emerge as a model for economic development and stability in the region. The resilience and determination of the Iraqi people, combined with strategic reforms and global cooperation, are paving the way for a new era of prosperity. As the country moves forward, the world will be watching closely, because Iraq's economic transformation is not just a national story, it is a story of global significance.